Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Today we're going to talk about how to grow your YouTube channel, and we're going to take a look inside of Morning Fame, do a review. Also, there'll be a link for the invite code to get access for your YouTube channel to Morning Fame. So, you can see right here, we're on my YouTube channel, 30minutemarketing.net, which you're watching right now. But you can see currently 395 subscribers, and then you can see here the list of videos. So the question is how to grow your YouTube channel. Okay, so the thing is, the tool Morning Fame is going to give you the insight that you most likely are not going to have without a tool like Morning Fame. Now, there's lots of great tools that most people know about: TubeBuddy, vidIQ. I have both of those as well, but Morning Fame does things a little different, so let me show you inside. So here is inside my access for 30 Minute Marketing channel inside of Morning Fame. And as you can see right here, it starts off with traction. Is your channel trending upwards? Compares your last 12 videos to the 12 videos you published before them. Trending upwards? No, not good. Views, got a check. Right, then you got comments over here, you got these little Z's, and down here at the bottom it's going to explain the legend. So the Z's, your channel snoozing, right, below average. You got a check, below but close to average. Get the green check, you're above average. Get a little medal there with a star, you're high and above average. Very high above average when you get that trophy. So as you can see, there's a little bit of gamification when you first get inside of Morning Fame, but it's a great way to show you, to really give you insight that you otherwise wouldn't have just by opening up YouTube and looking at the analytics. Although the new analytics inside of YouTube are getting really good, but the key here is this is giving you great insight. How much did each video contribute to growing your channel? So as you can see right here, this is currently sorted by date, and then it doesn't have any of the filters on. So for example, this video that was released just 7 days ago, you can see here it made my channel grow. Views above average, average on view duration, which is, an important issue. So I got to look at that video and think about to myself, why didn't people stick around? So how do I make it more interesting, more engaging? Hopefully this video is more engaging and you're going to stay till the end. So likes, 15. Maybe I need to ask for more likes. Give me some thumbs up, right? Comments. You just got to be able to understand what your videos are doing and how you can make your YouTube channel grow by looking at these statistics and looking at these badges. The gamification behind it is giving you the insight you need to step back and look at each video and say, okay, how and what do I need to do to make this grow? So then again, sort by views, but say we want to talk about subscribers. As you can see, how to make money blogging is a video that got the most comments. It also got the most subscribers gained. So right there, that tells me 7 months ago I made a video, how to make money blogging. Now most likely because of what my channel is about, right? The principle of 30minutemarketing.net is how to do marketing. So most people look at marketing channels and they're thinking, okay, how do I make money using marketing? I want to learn marketing skills to make money. So how to make money blogging. I'm sure that that is one of the keys to that, but it also could have been the information inside of the video as well that increase the likes, the average view duration time, the views. It's just one of the things inside of Morning Fame, like I said, that you go through and it can give you traction. And as you can see here, it scrolls through. It also gives you some great detail here about information about, for example, how to get more shares. Okay, and you keep scrolling. It talks about the average duration, many shares by visitors, right? And then you can show more, and again, the legend explains all of that. And that's just the first tab. That's just the traction tab. So as you can see, there's so much inside of here, and I just recently got access to this, but I want to show you another cool thing about this. So I started Morning Fame a while back. So back in June, I got access to Morning Fame. And as you can see here, I'm getting updates. 24 hours ago you published. 24 hours ago you published a video. And then a key thing here is, so weekly Morning Fame updates. So let's just look at a 24 hours ago published Make Money on ClickBank. So Morning Fame actually sends this to my email, as well as me. I don't have to actually log into the interface. I get an email. 24 hours ago, you published this video. It gives you ideas on how you number of views that you're getting, number of likes that you're getting, which thumbnail would you click, which this to me is very key, because the click-through rate of your thumbnail, especially as a newer channel, you need to make sure when people are scrolling through, especially if they're doing this on mobile or even on desktop, when they're looking through their YouTube channel, they're getting suggested videos. And the better that your thumbnail is compared to the other videos that you're next when you're ranking to, so in YouTube search and suggested videos, you want your YouTube thumbnail to stand out. So Morning Fame is giving you this information and comparing them and asking you the question, hey, look at these thumbnails, step back, right? Try to take yourself and separate yourself from your channel and say, which one of these would I really click on? And then it gives you some more information here, search ranking terms. And again, this is all in the email that it sends you. And then of course, once you get the email, you can click through, go right back into your account. So we'll go and we'll take a look at the weekly Morning Fame update. So here you can see the weekly update for July 20th. It talks about how many subscribers I had back then, 371. Talks about your growth, and then you can open the full report, obviously. And then Nico from Morning Fame throws you some tips and tricks, and you can see your records, you can see your milestones. It just gives you all this great information in a single pane of glass and a quick snapshot right in your email. So you can think, great, I need to go back, I need to check my Morning Fame. You go back into traction, and we already looked at that. The next tab here is going to be strategy. How strong is your channel's performance? You're looking at views, watch time, engagement, subscribers, right? It's going to talk about your growth opportunities. Create more of these. Now this is key, because you can think to yourself, hey, I got a great idea what my channel is. I know exactly where it's headed, right? So for example, 30minutemarketing.net, I talk a lot about how to do marketing. So keyword research on Google, SEO, creating video ads. But one of the things that I also talk about is low content publishing. It's sort of one of the pillars of my business, because 30minutemarketing.net is about information products, how to market them, how to produce them, and how to sell them. Now, this is actually an information product, creation, low content publishing. But these other ones are basically how to do keyword research, SEO, and video ads. This is the marketing aspect of how to get traffic and how to get people to see your information products, which in this case, low content publishing. So as you can see, I need to create more of these videos. So it's telling me that all these videos work on my channel, and then I can focus on which one that I want to focus on and which one gets more views, more likes, and more subscribers. And then I can sort of look at maybe crossing over some of those concepts. These are just all the kind of ideas that I get when I'm inside of Morning Fame and I'm looking at it. And then it gets, instead of these, try something new. So it's saying these, not so much. And these weren't really expected to do that much, but it's good information either way. Okay? And then you have a series here. So it's telling you when you create playlists, those are about series. So you could say, okay, how is my SEO series doing? How's my niche selection series doing? How's my Facebook marketing doing? How's my income school project 24 playlist doing? You know, how are people responding to those playlists? Right? All this great information is your channel growing, and that is in the strategy tab. Then you move over into the workshop tab. Okay, so you can get views, watch time, engagement, subscribers. Again, you have to take time to utilize this tool to go through everything and learn everything about it. It is going to take you a little bit of time, but once you get in here, you get to the velocity tab. It's going to show you information about exactly how, right? How when you launch a video, when you publish a video, how the velocity works, number of views, likes. You can see things that work sort of. You can see like this video, it jumped out of the gate and it went straight up, right? It just straight hockey stick growth. The other ones kind of flattened out for views. So you could take a look at that. Okay, then you can go into the algorithm tab, and it's going to get into some really deep stuff here. And of course you can see this tab is a work in progress, and he talks about he actually has live streams where he updates you on here of how he's showing you sort of behind the scenes of the way the algorithm works and the things you kind of need to pay attention to. Okay, then of course you had access to the keyword tool. So you click on that, it launches a keyword tool. And this keyword tool is, in my opinion, the best keyword tool that you're going to find out there. like I said, vidIQ, TubeBuddy, I use them and I still reference them, even because I like to cross-reference across each of the tools to see what information they're giving me and what they're telling me, because they're all going to have their unique ideas and aspects behind what makes a video rank using a keyword tool. But the great thing here is like how to grow your YouTube channel, morning fame, and invite code. This is the keyword phrase that I'm using, for example, for this video. And then you can say, well, choose a video for step 2, right? And it's going to give you the same kind of information here. But here's a great thing that it has. Get ideas from channels close to yours. So it's actually going to show you channels that are similar to yours, and you're going to get some ideas from those, okay? So all this information is on each of these tabs as you move along. Of course, this is step number 1 is the topic. So choose first result for step number 2. It goes into and it shows you your main keyword. It gives you some common keywords, some uncommon keywords, hashtags, uncommon hashtags. It gives you the top ranking video for those keywords. It gives you similar videos and their hashtags, or not hashtags, but keywords. Then you move on to step number 3, which is research. It's going to give you a ranking opportunity rating. It's going to give you a grade, and it's going to say you're looking for at least a D, so it's graded A, B, C, D, E, F, right? It's going to give you all this great information. And then it comes down here, it shows the search results. You have the gateway video, they call it. That's sort of the video that's sort of equal to your channel and showing you how you're going to grow and be able to utilize that next step. You can choose that for step number 2. It'll put it in the information there. That's the video that you want to try to compare your video to. And then you move on to back to step number 3. You go to step number 4 and you start optimizing it. Of course, this is a very, very quick run through because I know this video is getting long and I need you to stay to the end because this is super important to understand how all this stuff works, right? So you go back to step 3, you hit search, you have it, you're moving on, you choose step 4. Okay, it's going to give you some information. Do people search for this? Keyword not found in search bar suggestions. Okay, so for now we're just going to ignore that. This would be one of those things that you work through the tool to understand why it's telling you that and sort of go back and reevaluate your keyword. But for now, we'll continue on to step number 4. And as you can see here, it has the ability to create a title that they optimize for you. You can click here, copy that to keyboard, or copy that to clipboard, and then put that straight into your YouTube description right on your channel. You got your description here, you got tags that people are using, you can copy all that to your keyboard. It's showing you the thumbnails, and then this is going to be the thumbnail that you produce, so it's saying, hey, these are the thumbnails you need to beat. Plain and simple. You need to beat these thumbnails if you want people to click on yours instead of theirs, okay? So again, I know I was talking super fast, but the thing about it is there was so much to cover inside of Morning Fame. I wanted to try to make sure that you saw everything inside of it because it's super important how this tool can how you can use this tool to grow your YouTube channel. It, in my estimation, it's the best research tool out there for YouTube, hands down. Take a look inside. There'll be a link in the first comment. It'll be pinned as well as in the description, so you can get access to Morning Fame. Get the first month for free, log in, connect your channel to it, start playing with Morning Fame, get some great ideas, start growing your YouTube channel. All right, that's it. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, thumbs down, and of course, no matter what, always leave a comment and tell me what you think about the video and how I could do better for you. And that's it. This is Gary Baker with 30minutemarketing.net. I'll talk to you later. Bye.